Hello, now I will explain how can we correct brush our teeth. Firstly, look at this picture. Place birds along the gum line at the 45 angle. Bristles should connect both the tooth surface and the gum line. Like this. And second one. This one. Gently brush the outer tooth surface of 2 and 3 teeth using a vibrating back, forward and rolling motion. Move brush to the next group of 2 and 3 teeth and repeat. And third one. Look at this picture. Maintain a 45 angle with bristles connecting the tooth surface and gum line. Gently brush using back, forward and rolling motion along all the inner tooth surface, like this. But don't remember that it could be 45 angle. And for this teeth. Till brush versely behind the front teeth. Make several up and down strokes using the front half of the brush. And same things for this tooth. You can use the same method for this. And finally, look at this picture. Place the brush against the baiting surface of the teeth and use a gentle back and front sibling motion. Brush the tongue from back to front to remove odor-producing bacteria, like this. And use this one at the same thing.